So let's start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now reaching the arms up, inhale, lengthen on the left side, exhale on the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. And take hold of the left wrist. Inhale, lengthen, exhale gently to the right. Back to the middle, swapping over, inhale, exhale over. And back to center. Inhale, exhale a little bit further if it feels okay. Back to center. Inhale and exhale. And come in center. So one more each side. Inhale, exhale over and center. Inhale and exhale. So taking the feet nice and wide, toes facing forward, squeezing the thighs, hands on the hips. And we're just going to bring the body parallel to the ground, keeping the back straight, head and neck relaxed. And inhale, exhale, come forwards. And come back up, one more inhale, and exhale. Then back to standing. So we're going to add a little back bend, so place the palms into the lower back, squeeze the elbows together and look up to the sky. And then come forwards, back straight, parallel to the ground. So with the breathing, inhale, exhale, look up, inhale, exhale, come forwards. And back to center. So one more inhale. Exhale, look to the sky, inhale there, exhale, come forwards. So either stay in halfway or you can slide the hands down the legs just to wherever you get to. Remember, nothing should hurt. Do not push this. And then we'll come on up. So we're going to do warrior two. So turn in that right foot 90 degrees. Good bend in that front knee. Shoulders and hips facing forwards. Arms shoulder level. And inhale, exhale, turn the head to look along that front arm. And just breathe and try and relax into the pose. And bring the arms down and turn the feet around. You want that knee tracking the same direction as the toes, shoulders above the hips. And inhale, exhale, look along the arm. So bring the arms down. So we'll do one more each side. You can either stay in this basic warrior two position, or you can turn it into reverse warrior by turning the front palm up, back hand to the thigh, and then leaning backwards, arching the arm over the head and looking up to the sky. And come back and we'll do the other side. So good bend in that right knee, arms shoulder level. You can stay in the basic pose or reverse warrior and turn the front palm up, back hand to the thigh. Inhale, exhale, arch the arm over the head. Remember to breathe. And coming back up, bring the arms down. So for the balance, you can either just hold on to the knee, if that's balance enough, or you try and hold on to the bottom of the foot. You can stay there or try and straighten the leg out to the front. And if you get the balance there, try and bring the leg out to the side. Keeping the body facing forwards, hips facing forwards. But using that other arm for balance. Now try the other side. You're either holding onto the knee or the bottom of the foot. If you get steady there, straighten up through the legs. You can bring that leg out to the side. The one side might be easier than the other, so I'm going to give this one another go. Bring the leg out in front first, and then out to the side, or just wherever you get to. And bring that leg down. Now we'll finish with the posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes, just for a few breaths. Then we'll open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.